Curated Gem-11, 24 teachers who imparted worldly knowledge. My first 8 teachers, nature and elements. Hello friends, welcome back to Raja's Treasure Chest Unlocked, where we explore life's gems. Last week, you all received an introduction to Uddhava Gita, a one-to-one conversation between Lord Krishna and his devotee Uddhava. As a part of this discourse, Lord Krishna began telling the story of an avadhutha, a spiritual wanderer, and King Yadhu Maharaj. The avadhutha mentioned that he has been blessed with teachings from 24 remarkable teachers. King Yadhu Maharaj asked the avadhutha to share the wisdom bestowed upon him by these diverse teachers. The avadhutha began, "My first set of teachers are nature and elements. They are 8 in number. My first teacher is Earth. Earth is the embodiment of patience and selflessness. Despite facing countless storms and upheavals, the earth remains steadfast and unwavering in its commitment to support life and nurture growth. From earth, I learned the virtue of selfless service and unwavering dedication to the welfare of others, regardless of adversaries faced. My second teacher is wind. Wind is the symbol of detachment amidst diversity. The wind carries myriad of fragrances without being entangled in their allure. Like the wind, a yogi must remain detached from the transient phenomena of the world. My third teacher is sky. Sky is awesome and embodies expansiveness and impartiality. Neither the dark clouds nor the cyclonic winds can do anything to the sky. The soul must be like the sky. The sky reminds us of maintaining a broad perspective and not getting bogged down by the mundane nature of life. My fourth teacher is water. Flowing effortlessly yet eternally pure, water symbolizes the sanctifying power of selflessness and compassion. Just as water purifies all it touches, the yogi must strive to uplift the lives of others through acts of kindness and generosity. My fifth teacher is fire. The fire lit up. Its flame can burn in any form. It can burn slowly or terribly. It can provide heat to the body and burn objects. But fire remains unchanged, unaffected by anything. The soul is like a fire. Nothing can destroy it. Nothing can cause any harm. A yogi should be light-filled, shining with penance, having an unperturbed heart and unattached by the filth of this world. My sixth teacher is the moon. We speak of the waxing moon and the waning moon and the crescent moon. There is a change in the arcs of the moon, not the moon itself. In the same way, Changes from birth to death take place only for the body and not for the soul. Like a guiding beacon in the night, the moon reminds us to trust in the natural cycles of life and to find peace during chaos. My seventh teacher is the sun. The sun, with its rays, converts water into vapor and returns it as rain at the right time. A true yogi should also think that he is only to give to others things he possesses and the things he has received. The sun inspires, encouraging us to give generously without expectation. My eighth teacher is the ocean. Enter the vast expanse of the ocean, a realm of mystery, wonder, and boundless potential. With its ever-changing tides and infinite depths, the ocean teaches us the art of adaptability and the importance of going with the flow. The avadhutha continues. Wait for the next set of teachers who taught him. Till then, yours truly, Raja Nagarajan.